I'm free, I'm human, but I'm comfortable with me. I'm capable, got everything that I need. I'm focused and I'm living out my dreams. I feel my family that I'm surrounded. There's nothing else.
It's good, y'all. So I have been gone for a minute, but we are back at it with another video. Hopping right into it, I am basically just showing y'all how to add in human hair pieces. These are some pre-made locks that I did, and then I just went back in and added in some human hair pieces. With the pre-made locks that I make, they're called the Baja Locs, but they do come with curly pieces in them. But I just want to show y'all how to just add in curly pieces manually if you were to do it on your client. And the texture that I used for this client was water wave. And so the water wave just gives it like a more curlier kind of look. You can use water wave or the deep wave. And again, I'm sorry if you hear my little one in the background. If you did not know, I just had a baby, so it's kind of hard for me to try and do voiceovers or really just anything right now because she's so small. So I do apologize if y'all hear her in the background. But so right here I added in a curly piece, and you want to make sure that you cut as close to the weft as possible. The inches that I did use was 24. 24 was kind of long on her because she is short, and so we said next time that we could use in 20-inch or 22-inch, and it'll still be fine. But when you are cutting that human hair off the weft, you just want to make sure you cut as close to the weft as possible, just so you can still get that length. And then with human hair, you also got to make sure that when you're cutting it, that you kind of brush it out a little bit, because human hair will shed. But it's really simple when adding in the human pieces. Also, I want to say excuse the mess because I was working in my beauty room at my house, and since the baby, I just have hair everywhere and I have not had time to straighten up, so apologizing for the mess. But anyways, got to do what you got to do. But right here, I'm just kind of showing y'all how to add in the human hair piece at the end. Basically what I do is cut it, make sure you cut off the weft, and then you're just gonna braid it into the hair that you have left over. Okay, so that spring twist hair that you have left over, you're gonna just add the human hair piece to it, and then you're just gonna braid it down. And then once you get it braided down to your desired length, because you wanna make sure you braid it down to the same length as the other locks. And so once you braid it down to the desired length, you're gonna get some nail glue. You don't have to use nail glue, but I like to use nail glue because it just adds extra security. But you're gonna get some nail glue, and then you're gonna just wrap back up until you don't have any more spring hair left. So right here, I'm just showing y'all how I cover up her braid using the spring twist hair, because like I said in the beginning of the video, these locks are pre-made. And also too, if you would like to order any of my pre-made Baja Locs, you definitely can. I will make sure I have that link down in the description box below. My website is SymoneSelections.com, and then I make sure that I put it right here for y'all so that y'all will know. So here's a different angle. I'm finna to add this human hair piece at the top of her hair. And when you do that, it just creates that messy look. And so I'm going to just take it through her braid. When you don't have pre-made locks, even if you do pre-made locks, like soft locks, for example, you can do this as well. But usually if there was not a pre-made braid, a pre-made lock, you will take the human hair through her braid, and then you're just gonna wrap the spring twist hair. So as you're wrapping the spring twist hair, after you put the human hair lock in and you add in the spring twist hair, you're gonna just wrap, and then you're going to kind of wrap around a human hair piece, but then you're going to have a small piece of human hair on the other side that you want to kind of hold down with your hand, and you want to flip up the human hair piece so that the human hair piece could continue to stay out, and then you just want to continue to wrap. And because you held that other side down with your hand, the hair will not come out. It'll be secured. If you want to tie a small knot, you could do that as well, but that's just what I like to do. Also, if you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I don't know why you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, because I'm definitely giving y'all the gems, okay? But if you have not subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button and also that notification bell so you can know when I post a new video. Also, another thing, when I'm braiding in that human hair at the end of the lock, I do have a little shine and jam on the back of my hand, and I just kind of dab a little bit and I braid with it just so that the human hair can lay better, because human hair is very thin and it's very straight too. And so you just want to kind of have like a pomade or something that'll help it stick so it's easier for you to braid. Let me cater to you. Let me cater to you. I wanna let you know, you let you know that I admire what you do. I want me to reassure you, my life would be purposeless without you. If I want it, I'm gonna ask you. You desire me to be there. Challenge me for the better for you. Let me cater to you. See you go. Turn my game on. I'll push you again. Let me cater to you. And I do want to say this one thing, y'all. I am working on how to get those good angles for you all. I really be thinking people have somebody recording for them while they do the hair, but I really don't. So sometimes when recording for hair tutorials, it could be a little difficult, but I want to let y'all know that I am trying my best on trying to get the best angles as possible for you all. I do also teach virtual online classes, so if you would like to learn how to do this to where you don't have to keep watching a video, and you also get to meet me as well, but you just want to really see in depth how I do the locks and stuff, I do also offer 101 in-person classes and 101 virtual classes. So if you would like to book one of those, you can email me at SymoneProtectiveStyles@gmail.com.
I just wanna take the stress away from you. Making sure that I'm doing my part. Boy, is there something you want to do? If you want it, say the word, try it. And now whatever I'm not fulfilling, another woman is willing. I'm gonna fulfill you my body and spirit. When you come home, tell me on my shoulder, I will over. Baby, I heard you, I'm here to serve. All you need, even if it's not yours. All I wanna do is get up.
Okay, I'm reloaded.
Also, if you have too much hair left over after braiding and wrapping hair up, you can cut off that extra hair because you want all your locks to kind of be the same size. And you don't want them to be too bulky at the ends. And y'all, that's pretty much it with this video. Thank y'all for watching, and until next time.